I'm a sick human. I know. Hello everyone and welcome to the 2018 VIB Rouge haul this year. I only picked up a few things this year. There wasn't anything that was just super exciting to me, and the sale happened a little earlier. Normally it happens in November when a lot of the holiday makeup has started to launch, but this year it happened sooner. I believe it's because their reward system is going to be changing soon and they probably just wanted people to spend money before the new rewards kicked in. That's just my personal opinion. But whatever the case may be, I did pick up a few things, so I have a little first impressions try on haul. So let's just go ahead and dive on into it. Okay, so I haven't done my cheek makeup yet, which is why my eye makeup probably looks so dramatic at the moment. So let's jump into the first purchase I got from the VIB sale, which is this Becca bronzer. And I opened it up already. Oh my God, it looks so pretty. Took everything inside of me not to swatch it. So as you can see, you have a few different tones in there, and it is just this absolutely beautiful mid-tone bronzer, and then the side does have two shimmery strips. So I'm very excited. So to start with my bronzer, I'm going to concentrate on these three middle shades and avoid the shimmer at the moment. I'm going to place the shimmer toward the top of my cheekbones when I get there, but right now I am just going to, we'll be generous. We'll see how this goes. Ooh, yep, I like it. That was easy. Oh, it's so pretty. It's a really nice neutral bronzer, and I do have it in the shade Sunrise Waves. There were two shades. It was on sale, plus the VIB sale. That definitely deepened it up a lot, doing a second pass. And you can see that this eye look is starting to come together now with a little face makeup. It's scary at first when everything's one-dimensional, and there's always a point when you're doing like a reddish or a purple eye where it looks like you got punched in the eye about halfway through and you panic and you're like, what have I done? But then you keep going and it all comes together. You just have to be patient with those looks. I'm going to take the lighter side with the shimmer. So this side right here, I'm gonna get a little shimmer in there, not too much. I'm gonna go toward the top. Oh yeah, I wonder if that's opal? I wonder what that is. So you can see just what a nice shimmer that gave. It looks so pretty and so natural on the skin. So I'm gonna add a little blush now. I have NARS Gulu. I'm gonna pop on just a touch of this, just to tie in that purple in my eyes right now. So I like to just kind of work in small layers with this blush. It's super pretty once you get it on, but you just need to be careful if you're a little fair. So I am feeling glowy, I am feeling good, and now I am going to pop on the next item that I purchased from the VIB sale, which is the Fenty Glow Lip Gloss. Everyone has raved about this. I love a good lip gloss. I tried the matte lips. I don't do matte lips. Lipstick, I always add a gloss over it. I love gloss. Whoa, that's not the color I was expecting. Am I gonna like this? So here's the lip gloss on. It's not the shade I was expecting. I don't know why I was expecting something a little rosier. There's a lot of warmth to it. It does look pretty. I'm just not entirely sure it's gonna be my favorite. I don't know, maybe moving into the holidays, it's a little warmer. Maybe it'll be good. So jury's still out on this. It smells great though. It feels wonderful on my lips. Maybe it'll be a nice little lip topper or something that I will just keep in a purse standard. I like to keep lip glosses in purses just in case, but I don't know that this will be something I reach for every day. Next, I purchased the Foreo Luna Mini. This was definitely an impulse purchase. I got it because of Charmilly, who is Charm Toaster over on Instagram. If you like skincare or are interested in skincare, she has phenomenal reviews. Highly recommend to follow. But she said that she liked this, so I figured I would give it a try. I really trust her skincare recommendations. I was interested in a Clarisonic, but I was afraid with my sensitive skin that that might even be too much. But I thought that this definitely looked like something that would add to my skincare routine without interrupting my skincare routine. So this was already on sale plus the VIB discount. Let me double check the price. I got this guy for $69. It's actually normally $169, so I got it at $100 off. It was on sale plus the extra discount. Looks like it is back up to full price. It is sold out in green, purple, and gray at the moment, but they do have it in hot pink and light pink, so I went with the light pink. And then same thing with the Becca bronzer. As I'm looking at it right now, I got it for $19 and it is back up to full price for $38. But I do think that it's really, really beautiful. They do have a darker shade of it. So I would probably buy this at full price because it's still less expensive than like the Hourglass, which has been a longtime favorite of mine now, but it is obviously more expensive than the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. And last but not least, I got my ever trusty Bumble and Bumble Spray to Mode. I've probably gone through over 100, maybe 200, I don't know, I would have to really think about it, of these. It is the best hairspray that there is, and yes, it is pricey. It smells amazing. The mist, let me see if you can see the mist. Can you see it? It's so fine. I love the packaging. I love the can. I love everything about it. When you're this passionate about something, you don't buy one, you buy 1, 2, 3, 4, because it's 20% off and it's the only hairspray you use. So that is it. That was my VIB sale this year. I got the bronzer, the lip gloss, the Luna, and 4 cans of my favorite hairspray. I think the standout item is definitely the bronzer. It's so, so pretty. I'm going to take my makeup off tonight with the Luna, so I will show you a clip of that now. Hello everyone, welcome to my bathroom. It's probably very hard to hear me in our apartment. The fan automatically turns on with the light switch, which is a little annoying, but it's fine. Rather have that than mold. I am just reading the back of this. Charge once every 5 months. Do we think this is really gonna last for 5 months? I've had it plugged in for a few minutes. I think it'll just get me through a face wash, so let's wash my face, I guess, see what it does. I'm still gonna take off most of it with a makeup wipe, and then we'll get in there to scrub. Sorry, I'm just like looking at it. I'm mesmerized. I am out of makeup wipes at the moment, so I'm just currently using baby wipes. Please don't come after me, skincare people. I figure if it's good enough for baby butts, it has to be good enough for your face. So initial thoughts, I really liked it. It was really fun. My face feels nice and tingly now. I feel like it was definitely a really good clean that I got. Let's see. I don't know. Maybe verdict's still out on it. I still have some makeup that I'm picking up. Although I was wearing a lot of makeup today. I don't know, but I feel like going in with the wipe and the wash definitely should have gotten most of it. So I'll have to think on it a little bit. And that is it. Thank you so much for taking some time out of your day to spend a little time with me. I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed this kind of try on first impressions haul, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, like and subscribe, all that fun stuff. I will have all the other places you can find me on the internet down below, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.